You should hang your web self-retracting lifeline and pull out the lifeline and connect it to a fixed object. First, you'll want to moisten your sponge with the warm sudsy water. Make sure and get out all excess water so that you do not get your equipment too wet. Next, you'll clean both sides of the webbing. You should also clean the housing, the hooks, and the external shock pack if your SRL has one. Now take your rinse sponge and go over the entire lifeline to rinse. You should leave your self-retracting lifeline extended for approximately 1/2 hour to allow it to air dry. After it is dry, you'll want to unhook and allow the webbing to retract into the housing. You'll want to make sure it is completely dry so that mold will not begin to form on the webbing while in the housing. It is important to know that you should not use sanitizers, bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or other disinfectants on your fall protection products. Only use soap and water.